Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new device that I received from JynxBox group. It's called JynxBox Android M6. Today in this video I am going to unbox it and just show you in what is included inside of this box, and also on the screen with the OS and how we can use it and take advantage of it. Alright, let's just get into it. So the box itself is very nicely done and put together. According to the other boxes that I already have, this is a little bit chubbier and a little bit bigger that they put it together. It is nicely created, a little bit different than the other boxes which had a little cut on the top with the designs. I really like this. You can see that the logos on the top, Android saying, and then it says M6. At the bottom it says introduction to the world's smallest dual core and Android box, which is true. It is a dual core. Now we're gonna go on the side and you can see also it has the nice looking markings. It has the same old little design that they have, which I really enjoy. Now if you look on the side, it has the same logo. If you flip it in the back, it has little writings on there that actually indicates what is included inside of this box, what's coming with it. So let's just go from the start. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It does have an Ethernet connection. It has USB connections there too. I will be showing you how many of them are included to this. Also, it is True HD 1080p. It also comes with an IR remote. It also have built-in micro SD slot that you can put more memory to it and take advantage of it there. You can play live TV with it too. Also has the app for YouTube. Now, if we flip it back, in the back it has the specifications in 3 languages, just like JynxBox M1 had. And if you want to go and visit their website, which is jynxbox.me, and I will be including that at the bottom of this video. So let's just flip it and just get this thing open. It's a little bit hard to open it first of all. Once you do that, you're going to see that the box is very small according to the other boxes that we have. And just to compare it, here is the JynxBox M1 and here is the JynxBox M6. This is how small it is. But I'm just going to put this aside, show you what else is inside of this box. So in order to open, we have to just dig out the whole thing, and it's not coming off. Oh, it does come off. So it's just little cardboard. We're gonna put it aside. Now inside of this we have the power bar, which is created for United States and Canada, and we can see that this takes about 5 volt. This part connects to the JynxBox M6 itself. We're gonna put this aside. And the next thing that we have that other products don't have, and it is actually tied up inside of this, is the little connector AV wire, and one side will go to the JynxBox and the other 3 connectors that are out there is called RCA connectors. So you can connect the yellow one for the video, the white and red one for the audio. So we're gonna put this aside too. We can take advantage of it if you have old TVs. And we also have a nice ribbon. Let me just take this apart. And we have a nice looking HDMI wire. And this one is flexible and this one is the flat ones, which makes it a lot simpler to connect to your TV and to your JynxBox. We're gonna put this aside also. And here is the IR remote. It's the same type of remote that we have for M1. It has a little ziplock. We're gonna take it, and it has the plastic in the back just like the other remote. And this remote also have all the functionalities. As you can see right now, it has the, there you go, it has the power. You have the mute button, you have the mouse button, you also have the volume up and volume down button. We have the up and down, right and left button, also the pause, play and OK button. If you go on the bottom, since we are going to use this on Android, this makes a lot of sense. So we have the go back button. Also we have the home button, the menu button, and on the bottom we have all the 1, 2, 3 numbers. So if you want to switch channels when you're inside of xbmc, or you want to watch live TV on it. And at the bottom you can see that we have nice looking JynxBox logo. Now we're gonna put this aside. Now remember that including to this does come with AAA batteries that we need to put at the back of this in order to take advantage of it. So putting this aside, it also comes with a little license agreement, and it does talk about a lot of stuff, limitation and warranty, everything on this. So I suggest when you get it to read it. It makes a lot of sense. It has back and forth written. So we're gonna put this aside too, and we have the manual. This is the nicest thing that I ever seen, that it has nice papers. So I'm gonna put this box away. So I'm gonna talk about the manual itself. So you can see that it's all glossy paper, nicely done. Talks about how to open the back, how to put the batteries in, and also it talks about what each button functionality is for the remote itself, and also what you're going to see when you start loading it for the first time, and how it's going to look, everything, how to set up Wi-Fi, everything is going to be here step by step, picture by picture, and also other products that JynxBox have for sale. Alright, we're going to get back on the JynxBox itself. So the box itself is very small according to the other boxes that they have. I'm gonna open it. This is the first time I ever opened this, so I am very excited to look at this first. It does have a little plastic over it. I'm not gonna take it off right now, but just to make sure, that is the power button that you can push. Let me just zoom in a little bit. And we can see right now this is the power button that we can push, and we can see that, and we can also look on the side. It does say that this is a full 1080p quality. If we look on the top, it has a little Android logo on the top, so it's not another type of software that is on it. It does indicate it is Android. If we look in front, it has the nice looking spot, so the IR that we can use, we're gonna flip it on the side. We can also see that on the side we have the slot for micro SD. It does indicate on it that it is for micro SD. There's a little slot for USB and second USB. Now these connections are USB 2. And if we go on the back, this part is just a little sticker that they put on in the back. So this one is the DC connection, so we'll get this power from, and HDMI connection. And we have the video connection, which is called CVBS. Now this one is the one that we can connect to the older type of TVs to get picture on the older type of TVs. So if you don't have a flat screen monitor, you can still use this box. That's the best part. And also we have the Lan connection. So if we flip on a side, there's nothing here, and we're gonna go back to the front. Now if we look in the bottom of it, has a lot of holes on the side. It has the top sides and also in the bottom for ventilation. The best part for this is they have created a little bit of down, so that way it's not going to be flat. It is kind of going downwards, so that way you can breathe a lot better, and we don't have to worry about overheating when it comes to this box. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect this on the TV. I'm going to show you guys the first boot. Alright, so once you have the HDMI wire connected in the back, we're going to connect the power in the back also. Once you do that, you're going to see the power light on. This is another good thing that JynxBox brought up. And now we're going to the screen to see what's going to show up. There you go, that's the first boot. You should see the Android logo. So this is the first boot that you're going to see, and we have to connect it. So if you can see right now, using your remote, so using this, and if you click back and forth, you can see that we can select next, and we have to press the OK button. Once setup is done, now the screen changes and it goes to proper screen. Now this is the one that has been entered our default page for the JynxBox Android M6. So you can see that now you can go into each one of these and you can play along, or you can go into market, which is right here. You can select it, or you can go into the browser. You can go to Facebook or pre-installed xbmc, and you can play your videos and you can set up your servers and everything on that. Or if you have games, you can click on it and play. Remember that the box itself does not come with a gyro remote. It comes with the IR remote. It's a beautiful little box, but for the meantime, it just came out to show you guys a little introduction and also unboxing of the JynxBox Android M6. I hope you guys like my video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Don't forget to visit us on our Facebook page, Google+, and other social network services, something along Twitter, and thank you.